Hey Vision Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Alright everyone, make sure to mark your calendars. May 13th could turn out to be a big day. There's a strong buzz going around that Samsung might officially take the wraps off its brand new Galaxy S25 Edge on that date. If things go as expected, the phone will likely hit shelves in China and Korea around May 23rd, and then roll out globally, including the US, by May 30th. Now look, I'm usually not someone who leans toward Apple, but I've gotta say, after seeing what's shaping up with the S25 Edge, Apple might actually have the upper hand this time with their upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Let me break it down for you. Thanks to a fresh leak from the always reliable On Blast, we've gotten a glimpse of what seems to be Samsung's early press release. And at first glance, this phone looks absolutely gorgeous. It's incredibly slim, just 5.8mm thin, which makes it one of the slimmest phones we've seen in recent years. It only weighs 163 grams too, so it's going to feel super light in your hand. But here's where things get a little tricky: the battery. Word is, the S25 Edge will come with a 4000 mAh battery. And honestly, I don't think that's going to be enough. Sure, it'll be fine for people who just use their phones casually, but for heavy users, especially with all those advanced AI features and the powerful hardware working in the background, that might not cut it. Personally, I'd rather have a phone that's a bit thicker if it means I get a bigger battery. Just take a look at the OnePlus 13T. It's got a 6.3-inch screen and a massive 6200 mAh battery. That's what I'm talking about when it comes to power and performance. I really hope Samsung starts stepping up in that department, just like some of the Chinese brands have been doing. That said, Samsung is promising some impressive build quality. The S25 Edge is expected to feature a titanium frame along with the latest Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic, which should improve durability and make it more scratch-resistant. On paper, that sounds awesome, but let's be honest. No matter how tough the materials are, ultra-slim phones always feel a little fragile. I don't know about you, but if I end up with this phone, I'm definitely going to slap a case on it. When it comes to performance, it looks like we're in for something solid. The S25 Edge is expected to be powered by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, the same one found in the rest of the S25 lineup. It'll also come with One UI 7 and some new AI features that Samsung's been hyping up lately. And speaking of features, the camera setup sounds pretty exciting too. You're looking at a 200 megapixels main sensor with optical image stabilization, likely the same one in the Ultra model, and a 12 megapixels front camera. For such a thin phone, that's pretty wild and impressive. Now let's talk about pricing. The Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to land somewhere between $1,000 and $1,200. That's definitely flagship territory, but if the battery doesn't deliver as expected, I'm not sure everyone will be okay paying that kind of premium. So, what are your thoughts? Are you hyped for the Galaxy S25 Edge, or do you think Samsung might be focusing too much on making it slim and stylish this time, instead of power and practicality? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.